Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Pranati, currently studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in the Department of CSE Data Science. Today I am here to explain the topic of process of patenting and patentability. Let us go through this topic briefly. First, let us know what is the patent. Patent is a form of intellectual property that grants its owner the legal rights to exclude others from making, using, selling, distributing, or offering to sell an invention without permission for a specified period, typically 20 years from the filing date. In exchange for these exclusive rights, the inventor must publicly disclose the details of the invention through the patent application. It is a legal right that gives an inventor the exclusive ability to make, use, and sell their invention within a specific country or countries for a set of period of time. A patent is granted for useful, novel, and non-obvious inventions. The right is granted in exchange for disclosing the details of the invention to the public. Let's see the conducting a patent search. In this, we will gain the three important points such as prior art, patent scope, and professional search. Prior art. Prior art refers to any evidence that an invention was known, used, or available to the public before a patent application was filed. It plays a crucial role in determining the novelty and non-obviousness of the invention during the patent examination process. Patent scope. The patent scope defines the boundaries of the legal protection granted by a patent. It determines what aspects of an invention are protected and what actions by others would constitute infringement. The scope is primarily established by the claims of the patent, which are the most critical part of the patent document. Professional search. A professional patent search is a detailed and systematic process conducted by experienced searchers or patent professionals to identify relevant prior art, assess the patentability of an invention, or evaluate existing patents. This process is crucial for inventors, business, and legal advisors in making informed decisions about filing or enforcing the patents. Drafting a comprehensive patent application. Detailed description. Provide a clear and concise description of an invention including its structure, function, and advantages. Claims. Define the scope of your invention and specify the specific features that are protected by the patent. Drawings. Include detailed drawings of your invention showing its components and how they work together. Let's see the process of filing the patent application. For filing a patent application, it is formal process of submitting a request to a patent office to obtain legal protection for an invention. The process involves preparing and submitting detailed documents that describes the invention and its claims. A well-filed application ensures a smoother path toward patent approval. Steps to file a patent applications are pre-filing preparation. Choose the right patent type. In pre-filing preparation, the first type is to conduct a patent search. Identify the prior art to ensure the invention is novel or non-obvious. In choosing the right patent type, there are two types: patent design and utility patent. For function Utility patent is used for functional inventions, whereas design patent is used for ornamental designs. Navigating the patent office response. Office action. You may need to respond to the office action by amending the application. Amendments. You can modify the application based on the examiner's feedback to the address or any concerns or issues. Appeal. If you disagree with the examiner's decision, you can appeal the office action to the patent trial and appeal board. Issuing and maintaining the patent. Patent grant. After all requirements are met, the issue will be patent granted exclusive rights to your invention. Patent maintenance. Maintenance keeps the patent in force, ensuring continued protection for your invention. Enforcement your patent right for taking a legal action against infringement. Conducting a patent search. In conducting a patent search, there are different steps involved in it, such as define the scope of the search, use patent classifications, and the select search tools. In defining the scope of the research, we should understand the invention, break it down to key components, features, and technical aspects. In patent classification, international patent classification is organized by the technical fields. Then select search tools, Google Patents, usually friendly with broad patent and non-patent literature coverage. USPTO patent database covers US patents and applications. Patent examination process. The patent examination process is the procedure through which a patent office receives a patent application to determine if it meets the legal requirements for granting the patent. The process ensures that only inventions that fulfill the criteria of novelty, non-obvious, utility, and proper disclosure are awarded patent protection. By understanding and engaging effectively with the patent examination process, applicants can maximize their chances of obtaining robust patent protection. Patentability. Patentability refers to the set of criteria that an invention must meet to qualify for patent protection. These criteria are established by national and international patent laws to ensure that only true, innovative, and useful inventions are granted exclusive rights. Patentability is a process of determining if an invention is eligible for a patent. A patent gives the inventor the right to prevent others from making, using, or selling their invention. Within the context of a national or multinational law, an invention is patentable if it meets the relevant legal conditions to be granted for a patent. Understanding the patentability criteria. There are three criteria which are novelty, non-obvious, utility, and sufficient disclosure. Novelty. The invention must be new or not ready known to the public before the filing date of the patent application. It must not have been disclosed in a prior art, which includes publication, public demonstrations, or a use of existing patents. Non-obvious. The invention must be a non-obvious improvement or variation to someone skilled in the relevant technical field. Utility. The invention must have a specific credible utility or application. Sufficient disclosure. The patent application must provide a clear and detailed description of an invention. Principles of patentability. The principles of patentability serves as a foundation for granting patents and ensure what is the intellectual property protection is awarded only to the inventions. Patents are territorial, meaning they are enforceable in a specific geographic area. Criteria for patentability. To be patentable, an invention must meet certain criteria which are typically defined by patent laws. Patentability refers to the criteria that an invention must meet in order to be eligible for a patent. A patent is a form of intellectual property protection granted in the inventor for a new, useful, and non-obvious invention. The final is conclusion. The process of patenting is a structured procedure that enables inventors to protect their innovative ideas, providing them with exclusive rights to exploit their inventions for a specified period. It involves several critical steps, such as conducting a patent search, preparing and filing patent application, undergoing examination by the patent office, and its successful obtaining a patent. By upholding these standards, the patent office not only encourages creativity and technological advancement, but also ensures that the innovation are shared and accessible to society after the patentability. Thank you.